Hi, I'm Pastor Mkolisi Dlamini. Next to me is my wife, and we have a son who is at school right now. I am a pastor here at Ngwenya ICPC. Ngwenya ICPC started in 2017. Their aspects, they are playing a huge role in this community. We have about 10 to 15 families. In those 10 to 15 families, you will find that from the minimum, they have 3 children, or then when you count even the elders, we will find that there are 5. So it is playing a huge role in the community, because the community, we have single mothers who are just heading those families. There are families that are headed even by children, so in which they do need support, they do need food on a daily basis, and they don't have those people who are actually working sometimes who can provide for them. So this church has come to be a place where those people they get help. Having said that, we have a family that is benefiting from the rice bags. I think they can say more about how are they being helped by these rice bags.
Hawu, la ngasheya ngithola ukudla konke sonke isikhathi nje la kukhona. Hawu, bahambe abantu abami bacele. Hawu, ngithuke abantwana sebabuya nabo baphiwa ngoyomfundisi lami. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ukunibona nje ukanini lokudla vele sesikubona kubhalabhaliwe lapha, kubhalabhaliwe lapha ukuthi hawu kanti lokudla kuchamuka kashani. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ukunibona bazalwane.
Ngingipho kuhle emagangane. Kufika kwababe umfundisi lelisonto laba nelisito kakhulu la ndzaweni, ngoba wasitela nento lenhle, into lekudla, noma ineshumayelo yakhe uyayiva nje ukuthi itane impilo esiveni. Wasisebenzela nje kakhulu ngoba i-rice pack lebasiniketa yona esombeni ilusito kakhulu emangweni. Ilusito lengalwadotse ngaluphinza kangaki ngoba kati imxosha etiko kuyasisebenzela, ngoba noma ungaboni ukuthi udayipheka uyishibe ngani, yona iphelele inako konke lakhathi emaveje aphelele. Wena nje ubilise amanzi akho ebhodweni uthela i-rice pack kuphume kube kudla longawudzingi umshibo. Kwasisita kakhulu ke ngoba basinika kube ngu-10 lamaphakethi ale rice. Ngobunenjela kami balabantu fana ngihlala nabo bangu-4, kodwa nje kuyasatha nje amaviki abe ngu-2 ngoba uhle ubaphekele uhlanganyela upheka lokho lokuphekayo. Kusisite kakhulu lamangweni Nkosi yami, kakhulu angathi ukuthi ngingakhuluma ngithini, ngoba mina nje sami impilo yami iphila khona. Ngoba noma ngingaboni ukuthi namhla kumele ngende njani, kodwa nje ngingafika kamfundisi bafike bangemukele ngetandla lethokomele nabathi kude. Ngijika velele ngibuhlungu emphefumulweni wami ngoba ngisuke ngingasathi sengidawubhekaphi. Kona nje kwenza incwancwa, ngangakutshela kahle incwancwa ayisulutho kule pack rice. Wadla yona nje kuseni uyawudla nsambama. Siyakubonga nje kuchamuka kwalo lelibandla lelisombo leli, ngoba leta late uphephisa impilo tebantu la ndzaweni. Ngisite nje abantu abayithi nisibongele kakhulu le kulabadzala labanithumile.